Y'all, this was supposed to be our year. We set the goals, we wrote down the resolutions, we told ourselves this time will be different, and yet here we are, another month gone, another I'll start on Monday, another promise unkept. But what if we actually follow through this time? What if for the next 3... Hey y'all, it's Shine International, and I am doing a 90-day life makeover, and you guys are coming too. The next 3 months, I will be dedicating my time and effort into elevating myself. I broke this down into 5 categories: financially, mentally, spiritually, physically, and socially. So I made a video like this like a couple months ago, but the only difference is I'm not giving y'all the tips. We're doing this together, okay? We can't do anything without a plan. So we're gonna come up with the plan. We're gonna get organized. All right, y'all, so I'm about to break down all these goals one by one. And it's not only about goals, we setting up systems, because that's the only way it's gonna be sustainable to keep on going for 3 months. I left a free Notion template in my description box below. Make sure you go download that. Stop this video right now and go download that so you can follow along and plug in your own goals, okay? First, we're gonna start off with financial. 50K or better. I want to make 50K in 3 months. How am I going to make 50K in 3 months? I do not know, but it doesn't matter. You got to think big, bitch.
You think it's small. We need to be thinking big. You need to be thinking big, bitch.
Even if I don't hit 50K, I want to set the bar high so that I know that I could get more than me just being realistic. So the Lulu is the Salulu. So I want to figure out what I'm going to do with this hair business. I don't really want to go back to doing hair, but I did have a lucrative hair business. These next couple months, you guys are going to help me figure out what am I going to do when it comes to my hair business. Am I going to scrap it, or am I going to rebrand it as something else? You guys are going to help me figure this out. We are in this together. Okay. Next, I want to monetize my channel. I already had a monetized channel. I took a little breaky break. Y'all already know the tea if you see my video. And so now I'm demonetized, so I definitely want to get back. I am going to learn how to invest. And I'm going to do my research, and I'm going to learn how to invest my money so I can stack that bread. Especially in this economy, like, things are crazy. I need a retirement plan, and I need money for my kids and my kids' kids and my kids' kids' kids. Generational wealth. Thank you. I need to be more financially responsible. It doesn't matter if I have a little bit of money or if I have a lot of money. I'm going to spend it. Okay, you can count on me to spend your money. I want to work on being more financially responsible, which means budgeting, like all of that good stuff. Then I want to maximize my time. I no longer want to trade in my time for money. Currently, I'm working in the tech industry. Yes, your girl is a felon and got a tech job. Period. I can't even, because who? Anyways, so I want to maximize my time and make sure that I'm making more money than time being spent on the way that I'm making money. Okay, let's get physical. Okay, next is physical. I'm pretty much happy with how I look physically. Like, besides this zit right here, it's huge. So I want to lose 30 pounds. I am currently 174, and last year, like towards the end of the year, I lost 9 pounds by meal prepping and calorie counting. Then the holidays came. Anyways, we're not going to get into that. So I know a system that works for me, which is meal prepping and working out. So I want to meal prep, get back to meal prepping and counting my calories and just eating in a calorie deficit. That's one of my goals. And I know that it works. And I know that I could do it because I did it already. Then I want to get back in the gym. Like, I don't want to be considered a gym girly, but I do want to like ease my way back into the gym. So that's another of my goals. Keeping my hair done. I've been doing good with that. But there are days I be looking like Lil Bow Wow. So and I want to figure out like what looks best on me. Currently, I love brown hair on me, so I might dye my real hair brown. We'll see. We got 3 months. Anything else that I want to add physically, you guys will see along my journey. Okay. So mental, this is the most important one for me. So organize and declutter, which we're gonna do that in a second. It starts with a clear space, clear mind. I need to elevate my self-concept. I don't know what it was, but since I got out of jail, like, I feel like my confidence has went down, and I don't understand why, because I'm still that girl. Like, I don't know what it is or like what changed, but I have so many self-limiting beliefs, and I need to work on that because it all starts with the mental. I came to the realization that I'm a creative and I love to create. I love to edit. All of the things that I love, I need to put action behind because I'm good at it and it's things that I really enjoy. So that's what I will be doing in the next 3 months and beyond. I want to start reading books again. I read, I think, 48 books in prison, and I haven't touched a book since I got out, but I definitely want to get back into reading. So a big thing for me is during this time, I do not want to burn out, because that's how you revert to how you was before, like your old habits. I don't want to burn out. So I need to make sure that I am mentally okay so that I won't burn out or get overwhelmed with all the changes. So I'm going to ease into this, and I encourage you to ease into this process. We're not going head first, but we'll get to that in a second. Next are my spiritual goals. So I plan to dedicate time to prayer and meditation. Like, I be praying, but I pray like as I go, like as I'm doing something, like if I'm in the shower or if I'm in a car driving, I'll turn the music off and pray out loud. But I want to actually dedicate time in my mornings to prayer and meditation. I feel like that sets the tone for your day. And with doing that, I'm going to strengthen my relationship with God. Even though you're watching my journey, I want you to follow along. So make sure you add your own personal goals into this template. And if you didn't download the template yet, what are you doing? My final goal is social. So I want to network. I feel like networking is so important. Like, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. I'm going to make new like-minded friends. I feel like I love my friends to death. Love y'all if y'all watching. I love my friends to death and they're here to stay. But I also want to make new friends that are like-minded, that are into the things that I'm into, that, you know, are content creators. A lot of the people that I hung out with in the past, I don't resonate with them anymore. And it's fine. It's life. No more flaking for me. If I say I'm going, I'm going. If I say I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. And now I'm kind of shy when I go out. Like, if you don't talk to me, I'm not going to talk to you, or I'm not going to like start off a conversation. You just have to come up and talk to me first. So now I want to be the one to initiate conversations. Thinking about that makes me cringe, but I just want to elevate my social life because I really feel like since I got out of jail, I've been so introverted and like so to myself. I'm in a relationship, so it's just been like me and my partner and my close friends, who all of my close friends don't live in Atlanta. So now I want to branch out because it's important to me. So yeah, those are my goals that I will be working on. Let me know what you're working on these next 3 months because we're doing it together. Twins, okay? I'm not gonna let you fall off, and I know y'all not gonna let me fall off. So now that we got the planning and everything out the way, let's start putting some of these goals into action. Okay guys, so I just woke up. I've been up since 6:30. And so I need to first organize and declutter, okay? Exhibit A. I cleaned in here already, but I need to do it again. So I just want to reset before I start this whole process because it's kind of like starting fresh, starting new. I want everything to be clean, organized, and ready for the next 3 months for me. I'm gonna show you how to plug in everything into your Notion template so that we can stay organized and on top of things, because I had an issue with like organization, and so I want to be like, I'm a type B trying to be a type A person. Okay, so up here we got our goal areas. We got the weekly planner that we're gonna update weekly. We got a calendar where we're gonna type in our events and important dates. We got a habit tracker and our top priorities, notes, and ideas. And we got our projects that we will be working on. You can also have this app on your phone. I'm currently in the app, but you also can use this from a browser. So I left instructions on everything, to be honest with you. You see right here has the instructions. If you don't want to see this, you can either hide it by clicking here, or you could delete. I'm going to skip the weekly planner. I'll probably do that in the next episode. But I do want to add my top priorities here. Okay, so these are my top priorities right now. And you could put in anything, and you also could keep adding. You could keep adding. You keep adding. All of the areas have notes and instructions. And all you got to do once you read the instructions is voila. This is the positive habit tracker. These are the positive habits that I currently want to work on. The check boxes right here are labeled Monday, through Sunday, and if you move it a little bit, you can see it, but for space and aesthetic wise, I have it right here. These percentages down here calculate how many of your habits that you completed for the day, right? So 25%, 50%, and 100%, right? However many habits you want to add, you could do that by clicking new page. And I just added another one, and it will calculate based on how many habits you have and how many you have completed. And then you could click right here to minimize that. Right here. So cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, I worked so hard on this, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about it. Okay, so the calendar is on a monthly basis. You want to add your important dates, somebody's birthday, an event, a bill is due, anything. Okay, so you can add tags here, and you can put important, event, bills, work, and you can also add your own by just typing it in and clicking enter, and then it will give it another color. You could change the color right here to whatever you want. You can add a reminder on a day of, a day before, and it'll send you a notification to your phone if you have the app. Moving down to projects, I think this is going to be my favorite area because I have a lot of projects in mind. So I have to create my website and I have to edit my YouTube videos. So you click and change the status by in progress. And whenever you complete it, this percentage down here will tell you how much of your projects you have completed. Okay. So we want to get things done in these next 90 days. So I feel like this is perfect to utilize, especially if you're a type A, this is perfect for you. If you're a type B, trying to be a type A like me, it might be hard, but you want to get into the habit of using this dashboard. So I'm gonna put this in progress or whatever. And you just type whatever right here. So, okay, we're scrolling back up right here. Whatever you want to add for Monday. Monday, I want to post my YouTube video. That's just to show an example. So now when you click into the goal areas, this is where you plug in your goals that you have set for each area of your life. So as you've seen in the video, I wanted to make 50K, monetize my channel, learn to invest and stuff like that. So I just put that in here. And in the upcoming episodes, we're going to come up with systems to get these goals done. Same for physical, social, mental. And like I said, you could get to these pages from here, or you could get to these pages from here, and you click on it and boom. This was a mini tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys download it. I hope you guys think it's cute. It took a lot of my time. Oh, so right here, I put this for instructions just to let you know what you could use this planner for. So I'm gonna put a motivational quote right here. So that's the quote that I'm using for this week. It says, success loves speed, move quickly with intention. You just gotta move and not be afraid of failure. And so that is my quote of the week. So yes, guys, I hope you guys love this template. I made this with love for y'all, okay? What are we thinking? Are we liking it? Do we feel like this is sustainable? Like, do you feel like you can actually do this for 90 days? Doesn't matter because we're doing it. So planning, organizing, strategizing, all of that is like mandatory before actually setting out to do what you want to do. So that is why I stress that issue in this pilot episode of my 90-day life makeover. We just set the foundation. The upcoming episodes are going to be jam-packed, filled with actions. I have a long list. I have a lot of goals, as y'all can see, and I will hope y'all do too. So we have a lot to do within these next 90 days, and we're gonna get it done. So that's why planning was just so important, and I didn't want to like make this video super long or whatever. I wanted to keep the girlies here, keep us eye to eye. Now if you're not ready to set on your journey and you just want to watch, you just want to like follow along, you can do that too. Hopefully I inspire you to want to do your own little 90-day life makeover. Next week we have our main focuses. We're focusing on our goal areas and coming up with systems, as well as we're gonna put in action. We're gonna do what we said we were gonna do. You feel me? Oh yeah, I just wanted to add that it is free to sign up for Notion. I'm not trying to press y'all or anything, but I did want to make something that could hold us accountable, because this is like a group project to me. It's not just me, even though it is gonna be just me and it is gonna be just you doing work. We still are gonna hold each other accountable. So I wanted to give you guys something tangible so that you could follow along and kind of feel a part of it, you know? Next week the video might be long. I'm not gonna hold you because it's a lot. But I can't wait. I'm excited, and I just want to thank y'all for coming on this journey with me. So I will see y'all next week, right? Oh, okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what are some of your goals. Tell me how you feeling about this journey, about this challenge. Just tell me everything. Tell me all your thoughts. Like, I am gonna be responding, and I'm going to be holding your hand through this. Holding your hands.